We got this keepsake plaster statue. We're gonna mold our hands, holding hands together, and have it as a keepsake ornament statue thing. It comes with a molding powder.
Step 2.
What is that? Casting stone. Alright, we got our 12 cups of water in here. Massage water onto the hands as if applying lotion and leave damp but not dripping wet. You can also add a drop of baby or massage oil onto the hands to hold the moisture. Yeah, so we're practicing how to put our hand in the mold. I don't want to be covering up your ring though. That's one of them. So we can do this, or we could do, lacing, or we could do the one that was just like gently rested on there, like just
I go like that one the most.
Like that one. The spacing between the part to be tight. So we have to sit like that for like 30 minutes. We kind of practiced how we want to put our hands, and hopefully get it right. Hopefully our hands and our nails are looking all nice. This is what we're going in with. I don't have my actual wedding ring right now, but that's okay because I think the rock would be, it might not mold very well in there. We hope that this is successful. Empty the bag of molding powder into the water.
It's cement!
Currently doing the mold. It's starting to harden up already. Okay, wiggle your hands. Like, yeah, there you go. It's loosening up. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle from the wrist and gently slide your hands out. And they said it's okay if the top breaks. I'm gonna take that piece with me. Because I'm wearing my red light. I hope that's okay though. This is what the inside looks like right now. Step 2, casting stone. show the details on this. You can see Michael's veins right there. And that's my hand, my nails, his ring. It's kind of hard doing with one hand, but this is his hand. The details of my silicone ring still showing. It turned out so good. I highly recommend you doing this with your significant other.